Is joining in right now from the newsroom with all the top stock movers of the day. Hormaz, over to you.
You know, it was that kind of a day, right? We're expecting some kind of profit booking because it was par for the course. But then there were certain stocks that did very well. And as Nigel was highlighting, some PSU mining stocks did well. But another PSU that did very well today was Engineers India. And that stock saw its biggest single day gain in almost 8 months. And that stock ended at the highest. It is up almost 33% now since the 20th of December. It was up another 8% today. It has been up over 6% each over the last few sessions as well. And as you highlighted, Pharma did very well today. Almost all of these stocks, Lupin, GSK Pharma, Biocon was at a 3-month high, Glenmark Pharma, Gland Pharma, all of them doing very well today. Another pharma name that did very well though was Mankind Pharma. And the talking point here is that the stock has doubled now from its IPO price. The IPO price was 1,080 and it hit an intraday high of 2,164, 6.5% higher on Mankind Pharma. And that stock has doubled from its IPO price in just 8 months of its listing. Adani Ports came out with a business update towards the close of trade. The talking point here was that they have raised their full year guidance to 400 million tons now from 370 to 390 earlier. So that stock ending almost 3% higher today. What didn't do well was Vodafone Idea. Again, there were news reports floating around that they are in talks with Starlink to sell some stake. The government was in talks. The company has clarified there are no such talks taking place. The stock ending 5.5% lower today. Birlasoft, and I'm sure Nimesh will highlight more on the D Street chatter, but that stock on the fourth day of drop today for Birlasoft, 2% lower. The stock closing below its 10 as well as its 20-day moving average. So not good signs on the charts there for Birlasoft. PSUs, they were the stars yesterday, but they came under some bit of pressure today. Some of them, LIC, BEL, REC, PSC, the stars of last year, saw a bit of profit booking as well. Petronet LNG did very well today though. The stock ending higher, and that stock has been an outperformer. It closed off the day's high slightly, but it was the 8th day of gains for the stock, and that was the longest winning streak that the stock has seen in nearly 4 years now. And lastly, Bata, another stock that did not do well on the charts, another 2.5% lower today. The stock ending at a 1-month low, and it has closed below its 200-day moving average today as well. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Hormaz, thanks a lot for that. Well,